Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another Zodiac tutorial and I'm starting zippity quick because I'm late already. So make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you hit the like if you're excited for the Zodiac series. Basically, I'm using the Colourpop Zodiac pigments to create a look, and I'm going through every single sign. We've done Capricorn, we're going with Aquarius. I'm also using their complementary or their compatible sign colors as well. So Aquarius, their compatible signs is Leo and Sagittarius, so I'm using those pigments as well to create a really cool look that can be wearable. This is more like a night smoky eye type of look, but I really like how it turned out and I hope you guys really like it as well. And yeah, I got my Aquarius Taurus sign out, so I hope you guys like it. Let's just get straight into the tutorial, how to do this. Let's go. Okay, so I'll kind of be talking about the Aquarius traits as I'm kind of going through this. They're shy, but they can be very energetic and eccentric, it said. What is it? Eccentric and energetic. So I'm going to kind of play off of that. I know that they can be a little bit shy. So if this blue is too crazy for you, because I want to put it all over the lid, just add a little bit in the lower lashes and do like a silver or a brown or something like that, and they would look really, really pretty. But I'm going to play off their eccentricness. So I'm going to go ahead and start in the Jaclyn Hiko palette. First off, Aquariuses are compatible with Leo and Sagittarius. So we have the Waterbearer from the Zodiac pigments here from Colourpop. That's the blue one. That is the Aquarius. Then we have the Archer, which is Sagittarius. And then we have the Lion, which is the Leo. So we're going to kind of try to add the purple, the gold, or at least one of these in with the blue in this look. I'm going to get into this fourth color right here and put that in the transition area. That one is called MFEO. That's what that one's called. A couple things about Aquariuses. Their colors are light to blue and silver, and they're independent, but they run on emotions, and I think that's so interesting. I'm kind of a little bit like that, but I can definitely see that. Any Aquariuses that I know, they are very emotional, and they do kind of like let that kind of determine what they do. They have fun with friends, they like helping others, they like fighting for causes, they're good listeners. They don't like broken promises. They don't like people that disagree with them. They don't like being dull. That's kind of interesting to me because I can see that too. Aquariuses can be, I'm going to go into here, a little bit worried about being dull. This is called Pooter. So I don't have that long. So hopefully I can do this all. Glad you guys have been liking the Capricorn series, and you'll see when I kind of zoom out, I put a new sign back there. This one is Capricorn and Taurus. Sorry, not Capricorn. This is Aquarius and Taurus. I was going to send that out to a couple, but I thought I would share with you guys first in this video so you can see like the different type of signs that I have. Okay, so we're going to go straight into this Waterbearer pigment. I want to put that all over the lid, so I am going to just do the simple thing and get my brush wet, just because that's the easiest. Where it's mess free. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. Kind of like on 3/4 of the lid. I'm not going to go too much to the end. This is the only one that might not be as wearable as maybe my other ones, but I have to do this. Like, the blue is so gorgeous. Okay, so now that I've kind of added that blue right there, I'm gonna go into a little bit of this color right here, which is called Pukey, and I'm putting that into the crease, and we're gonna kind of blend that out. The interesting thing also is that it says that Aquariuses have a deep need to be alone by themselves, like away from people every once in a while. And I definitely can see that. I have a niece that is, I'm pretty sure she's an Aquarius because she acts exactly like that, and she like likes to go off and be by herself. And the same thing with like one of my sisters, she likes to like be alone sometimes. And I used to like not understand like why can't you just come hang out with everybody and be a part of everybody? And I can see why now. It's just she has, and I don't blame her because I kind of have that where I like to be by myself sometimes. Like sometimes people are too much for me, so I can see that. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a deeper color. So let's go into this color right here. Sorry, right here. And that is called Mocha, and we're gonna stack that on to the outer corner. Okay, so it says, Aquarius signs look at the world as a place full of possibilities. They are an air sign, so they use their mind at every opportunity. If there is no mental stimulation, they are bored and lack motivation to achieve the best results. They're visionaries, and so they're kind of like smarty pants, I would say. But yet they're sometimes aloof as well, which I thought that was kind of funny and interesting. You guys comment below and tell me if you're an Aquarius. There's nothing that can attract Aquariuses to love like an interesting conversation. So if you're looking and you're trying to get with an Aquarius, make an interesting conversation and that will attract them. I thought that was kind of interesting and cool. Okay, so I'm just building it up and trying to make a shape out here. And I love how that purple and the blue is going together. So I think I'm gonna go with this Archer and apply that on the outer half of the lid. And I picked the Archer because it's compatible. Sagittarius is compatible. Oop, just made a mess with Aquariuses. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of incorporate that. Ooh, I'm really loving how that looks a lot. That actually is looking pretty dang cool. And this Sagittarius color has like a shift. I'm not sure if it's like a blue or a purple, but it has some sort of shift and it looks pretty cool. There we go. We got the purple on the outside kind of blended in. I'm gonna make sure those edges are kind of blended in with what's ever left from that deeper purple color on here. And I'm gonna add some of that Mocha, which is kind of like a brown with purple. So that's what we were kind of adding at first. In the outer corner, I'm just gonna kind of make sure it's still there and hasn't been blended away. So Aquarius in the Zodiac palette is this color, and then we have the Leo, which is really cool, and the Sagittarius, which is like a purple. So I might use this in like the lower lashes, but I'm definitely gonna go back into this color. This is Silk Cream, which is this color right here, and I'm putting that above the transition, kind of going into my brow. I'm gonna get this Milani Stay Put eyeliner in Keep Up Sapphire. I'm putting that in the top and the bottom. It's a blue and it's super gorgeous. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna pop on some fake lashes and then I'll be back. Okay, so my lashes are kind of on, and I'm gonna start with the face. I'm gonna try to do this really quickly because I'm running so late. Okay, so for primer, I'm gonna go with the No Problem primer from Touchy Soul. don't even talk about like this situation going on right now. Like I don't even, like this side looks so good and it's healed, but this side I have like a breakout. I don't know what I put on my face. Anyways, so this is literally the only foundation matching me at the moment, so don't look at the matches down below. Right now I am so freaking light that the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum in, what is this, 53 Light Beige is the only foundation that is matching me. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous right now. It's ridiculous. So we're putting that on the face. See what I'm talking about? Like I am so light right now because I literally haven't been outside and I don't even know how long. Because it was so cold, and not to mention all my kids are having sick and sick and sick and sick, and it's been going around the house like crazy, so we haven't been outside. And it's getting nicer outside too, so I'm so excited to start getting some color back to my skin. I'm never this light. Going to concealer, we'll use the Morphe Fluidity Concealer in 2.15, which I love how this smoky eye turned out. This is like a date night smoky eye. Instead of doing regular, just add some blue into your, I'm gonna brighten a little tiny bit with this one. This is the Truly Yours Dark Circle Concealer. Just brightening a tiny bit more. And I'm gonna set it all with the Peach Perfect setting powder. Guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get into the Zodiac palette. I'm actually gonna get into the Libra, which is like a pinky shade. I'm gonna grab that and put that right underneath the lashes. And you could have definitely gone back with that same palette as before, but since I'm gonna use this for the lower lashes, I thought why not just use this color. Okay, and then I'm gonna get into a little bit of the Sagittarius, which is like a purple. And I think the purple right next to the blue is gorgeous. So I'm going to put that on the lower lashes. And don't forget I have that blue in the waterline, so it's going to... And then with a fluffier brush, I'm going to get into this color right here, Pooter. I'm going to contour using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. Contour with that. I'm wearing my dog mom shirt. So freaking cute. If you guys aren't following the Golden Doodly Duos, you need to follow them. My doggies have an Instagram and it's just fun. I am going to bronze up the skin a little bit, so I'm going in with the, of course, Sweethearts bronzer. I think this is the key if you guys have warm skin and you're using cool colors on your face and your eyes. Using a bronzer so you still look healthy and warm, I think it does it does you a big favor. If you feel like you can't wear cool eyeshadows because it makes your face look pale, try putting on bronzer. Okay, for the blush, I'm gonna go in with this one. This is the LA Girl Just Blushing Blush in Just Kiss. It is a pink. It is a cooler pink. And the reason I'm using pink is because I think pink and blue look so beautiful together, or like a mauve color would look really pretty too, but I want to use a pink. So I'm just going to be very, very light, like barely tap my brush in there. And so light, like so light. I just want a, like a hint of a pink, but I want it to be so subtle. Like this is enough. This like little hint of pink is enough, but just to make sure you guys on camera can see, I'm gonna add a little more. But you need just enough to look like a little bit of a flush. There we go. I'm gonna go with the Laura Mercier The Glow Powder. I'm gonna put that on. if you're trying to decide between the Zodiac palette and the Pigments, go with the Pigments. Those are pretty dang cool, and you can just use whatever palette you have to complement that. You don't need this little palette, you know what I mean? You don't. I would say go with the Pigments. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna spray my face. Oh, this is the MAC Fix Plus. Oh, I'm running out of it. Oh, so good. It just mushes everything together. For lips, I'm gonna go with this Bite Beauty. This is the Matte Cream Lip Crown in Glace. And it's kind of like a mauve color, and it matches a little bit of that like transition color. This is what I'm gonna do with this to make it really light and just kind of match. I'm gonna crayon it in the lower lip, and then I'm just gonna do this. Not that this color is too out there, but just to make it kind of look like I have nothing on my lips. And then I think I'm gonna go over it with, this is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Nudie Patootie. I'm gonna go with that, and then I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna go in with the Pure Midnight Masquerade. I'm gonna go with the silver, and I'm gonna try that in the inner corner. Oh, that looks way better. Yeah, go with the silver. This is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette, and that was this color, Exposed. Okay, so this is the completed finished Aquarius look. You guys, I love this, and this actually look so beautiful with like a cute little side something on a date night. Just really cute. This is definitely like a smoky blue look, and I love how it turned out. I hope you guys really liked it. I hope you've been liking the series. If you missed Capricorn, I'll put the link up here for you guys so you can go check it out. And I will be going on with the next sign next. We're going in order. So Capricorn I know was last. Actually Aquarius was first, but Capricorn is my sign, so I did that one first. I'm going in order from now on, starting with Aquarius onwards. So I hope you guys are super excited. Comment below and tell me, what is your sign, and do you feel like you match the traits that your sign says that you are? Let me know down below in the comments. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.